It's a bit dangerous, isn't it, being directly opposite a junction. So
Can I edge forward?
what I would do is just cancel your signal, wait for this one to go. Look her over your shoulder, signal right. That's it, and move off. And what you're going to do is, again, you're going to mirror signal left. And you're just going to pull up on the left-hand side before that next drop curb. This is probably a better spot, don't you think?
Yeah.
Good, well done. Lovely. That's better. Yeah, see, it's never too late. If you make an error, you can fix it. And that's a prime example. Just don't panic about it. Take your time. Just do what you would normally do.